Hello, everybody. It's Dave Dees, or you might know me from school as Mr. D, Mr. Dees. A lot of people have been waiting quite a while for me to finally finish my, what I keep calling the greatest drawing series of videos ever. Well, I just have to tell you, I'm finally done with it, and it's even better than I thought it was going to be. So, over the course of the next several weeks, from August 11th, 2021, all the way through January 26th, every Wednesday at 4 p.m., we're going to have a brand new episode of my drawing masterclass coming out until all 25 of them are out. The point of that class is to teach you everything that I know. Who knows how long I'm going to be here? Who knows how long I'm going to be teaching art? I want to make sure that I pass on everything that I've learned as an art teacher to everybody for as long as I can, for as long as YouTube is around. If you want to learn how to draw from the basics to being really good at it, or at least having the tools to be able to practice more and become really, really good at it, all you have to do is go through all 25 episodes, which again are going to be coming out every Wednesday at 4 p.m. on this channel from now until January, the end of January next year. So every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Make sure you are here. Make sure you watch. Make sure you never miss one. If you do, the links will be below in the other videos. And make sure you watch the entire thing. Make sure you smash that like. And make sure that you comment, make sure you subscribe and resubscribe, make your relatives subscribe. And then when you think maybe that you've watched enough, then maybe we'll just watch some more. Just keep it going for the home team, or for drawing, for art, for the love of art. Watch it again. Just watch all the videos. Keep watching them. Just never stop.